Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Quarantine Zone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Quarantine Zone on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, in order to customize your controls, click on the Options button. From here you can now go into Controls at the top section, and now you will see all of the controls that are assigned within your game, including the movement as well as inspection and tools control. In order to customize or change any button, click on the already assigned key, and now once you are prompted to press a new button, you can press your desired key right away. After pressing the new key, it will now be assigned as your new control right away. You can follow this pattern and change all of the assigned buttons. Once you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now continue to play with your newly customized controls right away, and you may go back to the options in order to change them at any point in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Quarantine Zone game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.